In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the ATR indicator in TradingView. For those new to trading, ATR stands for Average True Range, a valuable tool that helps traders measure market volatility. It's not about predicting the direction of the market, but rather understanding how much the market typically moves. Now, let's dive into TradingView and learn how to access this indicator. First, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView website. It's a versatile platform where you can monitor different markets. Once you're there, the next step is to look for the Supercharts option. This feature is where all the chart magic happens and provides you access to an extensive range of tools and indicators, including the one we're focusing on today. After clicking on Supercharts, you'll find yourself on a page filled with lots of data. Don't worry, what you need next is to locate the Indicators button. It's usually at the top part of the platform, clearly marked for easy access. Clicking on this button will open a plethora of options and tools, showcasing TradingView's comprehensive range of indicators designed to aid your trading decisions. Once the Indicators menu is open, type ATR into the search bar. This will help you filter through the various options available. You'll notice the list changes as you type, narrowing down to show only the relevant indicators. Keep an eye out for Average True Range in the results. You may see a few options for the ATR indicator. It's important to choose the one titled Average True Range, as this is the standard version most traders use. Selecting it will instantly add it to the chart you're viewing, providing a clear visual representation of market volatility. In our example, let's say you're looking at the Bitcoin market. With ATR now added to your chart, you can start changing the timeframes to see how volatility changes over different periods. Click on the timeframe selector to make these adjustments. You can experiment with various periods such as 1 day, 1 week, or even as short as 30 minutes, depending on your trading strategy. This flexibility allows you to tailor the ATR display to your specific needs. As you update these timeframes, observe the right-hand side of the chart where the ATR values are shown. This area will give you an indication of the current volatility based on the selected time frame. Understanding these values can help guide your trading decisions by providing insights into potential market movement. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to access and interpret the Average True Range indicator using TradingView. By incorporating this tool into your trading analysis, you're better equipped to navigate market volatility and strategize effectively. Thanks for watching and happy trading.